What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, so check out this beautiful, beautiful market recovery we have going on, guys. It's funny because 24 hours ago, we said in the live stream when everything was red, everything was just as red yesterday as it is green today. And we said, don't be surprised if in 24 hours the bubbles are all green instead of red. And here we are. Funny story. All right, so let's have a look, see what's going on, guys. Can we continue upwards tomorrow? That will be the interesting question. It's a weekend, so and at the time of recording, we do have a Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiry happening in about half an hour from when I'm recording this video. So when you're watching it, it would have likely already expired, and we'll see. Is that going to drag the market back down? Is it going to be a nothing burger? Something to watch out for if you're watching this beforehand. Jasmi up 5.8% on the day, 13.8% down on the week, 30.8 on the down on the month, and 9% on the year. Down 2 spots on rank to 81 and $879 million market cap, 44.78 million in volume. Swift coin up 13% on the day, down 14% on the week, 38.9 on the month, but up 390 on the year. Up 12 spots in rank to 280, $142 million market cap, and 11.97 million in volume. XCN up 7.5% on the day, down 17.5% on the week. Down 61.4 on the month, but up 627 on the year. Up 4 spots in rank to 128, a $478 million market cap, 88 million in volume. ZK up 6.5% on the day, down 1.5% on the week, but up 51.8% on the month. Up 1 spot in rank to 321, a $118 million market cap, and 17.57 million in volume. All right, let's go look at Bitcoin, guys. What is Bitcoin doing this evening? Well, it made a pretty bullish move all the way up earlier to $86,622 before falling back down to $84,880. I'm guessing that's probably because options are going to expire. I'm expecting maybe not so much on the altcoins, but Bitcoin likely to have more of a pullback, maybe back down to around 82,700 before recovering again. What's important to pay attention to here, guys, is this daily candle we're in right now. Can we close back above this blue line, which is $85,000? That's the number we want to reclaim right now, guys, to basically, if we can reclaim 85,000, my guess is we're going to ping pong between 85 and 91 here for at least for a few weeks. That is the range I think we're going to consolidate in before making another move back up. And that's fine. That's fine. Let's get back above 85. Let's stay up there. And let's start, we scooped down, we swooped down, we filled the CME gap. So that's done. The Band-Aid is ripped off. That's awesome, right? Let's continue on here now, and let's ping pong between this 85 and 91K level. That, guys, and here's the thing. If Bitcoin does do that, if Bitcoin ping pongs between 85 and 91K, consolidates, altcoins will be able to make some moves to the upside, right? It's as long as Bitcoin doesn't have any massive dumps back below 85. It's because we got a lot of altcoins that are in bullish structures. We're going to have a look at them right now that would have the ability to break back out. Jasmi just kind of going sideways here right now at 1 cent 820. But zooming out, Jasmi in a very bullish structure right now. So Jasmi would be free to have its breakout if Bitcoin started to consolidate in that range. Sorry, get the hiccups here. So there's that. XCN. Let's go have a look at it. What does the chart tell us there? Same thing, bullish structure, falling wedge pattern. XCN could have its breakout as well. First level of resistance, so around that 1 cent 838 level. Let's get above that. Let's break out, get above that, confirm it. right? We'll get above here, confirm the breakout, and then move up to the next level of resistance. That's what I want to see here on XCN in the near term. Swift coin, almost exactly the same thing. Almost exactly the same thing, right? Had a nice little run earlier this evening, all the way up to around that 1 cent 539 level. We need the same thing out of Swift coin here. Breakouts, confirm as support, and then go, right? That's what we want to see on Swift. Going over to ZBIC. ZBIC is just starting to form what looks like a falling channel, descending channel here. Maybe turns into a falling wedge pattern as we go. Right now, looking at a spinning top candle, neutral candle right here on the daily. We had a decent close. We're putting in higher lows right now, right? So that's very bullish, but we could just ping pong in this range here that I have started for at least a couple more weeks before the breakout. 2 weeks, maybe, we'll see. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at there. But the point is, all of these altcoins are in bullish structures. None of their bullish structures have been invalidated, right? So that is very, very positive, guys. All right, let's check in on a Jasmi update from friend of the channel, Neo Extrix, Neo Sun in the house. Shoot him a follow over on X as always. He says regarding passwordless authentication, Jasmi uses innovative technologies for its decentralized identity function, and Apex Co. has contributed to the design and development of several technical aspects. 1, the selection of security chips. 2, the development of the platform. 3, the development of Bluetooth connectivity. And 4, the development of dongle modules, such as the integration of the authentication sensor. Very, very bullish, guys. I love the partnership between Apex and, of course, Jasmi and Junction. ZBIC, what do we have? It's tweeted out earlier today from Solana Daily. The real world assets set to disrupt the market. Right here, what do we have? ZBIC, baby. Potential RWA projects on Solana. Boom. There it is, guys. We called this bad boy over on the Patreon months ago. We have accumulated en masse, guys. That's why you got to get over to the Patreon. You want to get in early on these plays, guys, not late. I don't understand it. Why would you not want to get in early on these plays? Moving on, Chain, guys. Chain tweets this out, as they normally do. XCN, preserving privacy with the ZK-SNARKs. With the conflicting demand of confidentiality and transparency that users now face on a day-to-day basis, privacy-preserving blockchain networks are becoming increasingly invaluable. The latest solution to this is the ZK-SNARKs, zero-knowledge, non-interactive argument of knowledge. The zero-knowledge cryptography not only enables privacy, but blockchain network, but still allows for verification. Understanding it, at its core, ZK-SNARKs allow one party, the prover, to prove to another, the verifier, that the particular statement is true without revealing any information beyond the validity of the statement itself. This technology allows information to be verified without exposing the underlying data, making a useful addition to multiple applications ranging from finance and identity verification to secure voting systems. Now, what's interesting about this, guys, is that this is also partially some of the technology that Junction's PDL system uses, where you're able to provide your data but still remain anonymous. Fascinating. This is the second week in a row I've covered news from XCN and Onyx Coin with breaking down similar technologies to what Junction is using. Very, very interesting. The power of ZK-SNARKs is in their ability to provide users complete privacy while still ensuring that the network remains resistant to fraud through its ability to be used to prove identity. Transactions can be verified as correct without revealing the transaction's details, which can potentially include details such as the amount, the sender, and the receiver. With traditional blockchain networks, this information will be publicly visible to those involved in the transaction and anyone else who later checks the public ledger being used. How the process works. The process that ZK-SNARKs utilize involves multiple important steps: the setup, the computation, the verification, and the use cases for the blockchain. While the technology is promising, ZK-SNARKs aren't just a theory. This technology has multiple real-world use cases, like Jangshin's using it in their personal data locker. Cryptocurrencies, privacy-centric cryptocurrencies like Zcash and ZK-SNARKs uses ZK-SNARKs, to allow users to transact anonymously. Here ZK-SNARKs enables the network to confirm the validity of transactions without revealing sensitive information about the parties involved. By the way, ZK-SNARKs sounds like a character from Fraggle Rock. If you know, you know. Smart contracts. They can also be employed in smart contracts to ensure the execution of contracts remain private, and that only the outcome, not the individual data points leading to the decision, is recorded on the blockchain. Voting systems. In blockchain-based voting systems, ZK-SNARKs can confirm that the vote was cast correctly according to the rules without revealing the voter's identity or choice. While implementing and using ZK-SNARKs can offer significant benefits, it can also come with challenges. The setup phase requires careful handling, as any compromise during this phase can lead to a breach of privacy. The creation and verification of proofs with ZK-SNARKs can be computationally demanding, potentially limiting the scalability of networks that utilize this technology. However, recent developments have mitigated these challenges significantly. For instance, recursive ZK-SNARKs allows for the computation of multiple proofs into a single one, reducing the verification load. Additionally, improvements in proof systems such as Plonk and Halo have streamlined the computational process, enhancing the efficiency and scalability of these networks. Understanding and implementing ZK-SNARKs requires a high level of cryptographic and technical knowledge, which can result in a barrier to widespread adoption. In conclusion, as blockchain technology continues to evolve, the integration of ZK-SNARKs represents an advance in privacy and security by enabling data verification without compromising privacy. ZK-SNARKs provides a promising path forward for countless applications requiring transaction confidentiality. In conclusion, the ZK-SNARKs offers a potential to be a driving force behind the next wave of blockchain innovations. They balance the scales between transparency and privacy, providing powerful solutions for secure private transactions. As developments continue, ZK-SNARKs are set to redefine the capabilities of blockchain technology, making it more versatile, secure, and private. This marks a significant step forward in harnessing blockchain's full potential while safeguarding privacy. About Chain. Chain is a blockchain infrastructure solution company that has been on a mission to enable a smarter and more connected economy since 2014. Chain offers builders in the Web3 industry services that help streamline the process of developing and maintaining their blockchain infrastructures. Chain implements the SaaS model for its products that addresses the complexities of overall blockchain management. Chain offers a variety of products such as a ledger, cloud, and NFTs as a service. Companies who choose to utilize Chain services will be able to free up resources for developers to cut costs so that clients can focus on their own products and customer experiences. Very, very bullish. Love XCN, love Zbek, guys, love Jasmi. Big things popping. We'll see what happens tomorrow with the daily closes. As always, guys, we had another open mic session live stream over on the Patreon this evening, and it was a smashing success. People had a blast. It is an open mic Zoom call. Everyone participates, guys. Everyone had a blast. You learn so much from the community, the wealth of knowledge that's provided in those calls, the joking around, the education. It's such a good time. Guys, it is worth at least checking out for yourself. You're not going to want to leave once you see it, guys. It is something nobody else is offering on their Patreons, on their Discords, or anything in between. Definitely check it out, guys. We dropped 10 gems that we're looking at over there right now as well. We are in mass accumulation mode with the market being what it is right now. Don't miss out on these gems. We got in early on ZBEC, early on XCN, early on Swift, and early on like XPR, and so many others, guys. Don't miss out. Get over there. Check it out for yourself. You can also book your one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. And those don't cost anything. Those are free with your Patreon membership. So you can have all of this. Plus, we have a Patreon-only Discord as well that comes free with your Patreon membership as well. Guys, there's so much going on over there. Over 1,900 people over there now. It has been insane how much it is all blown up. And all of this for the price of a Happy Meal, guys. And if you don't like it after a month, just leave, right? If you can check it out, you're like, hey, you know what, this isn't for me. Hey, you can leave after a week if you want to, right? You can leave after a day. You can go there, check it out. You don't like it, and all it cost you was a Happy Meal, guys, right? All these other channels are charging between $100 and $1,000. Don't miss out on this community, guys. Listen, one of the most important things you're going to need to know in this bull run is when you should be exiting the market, when you should be taking profits. With all of the panic that's been flowing around right now about whether we're in a bear market or not, guys, you need to be a part of an educated community that's been through multiple bull runs that can help guide you before you butcher your own portfolio on accident, not realizing it because some content creator who's never been through a bull run before told you that we're going to zero, right? Protect yourself. Protect your portfolio for the price of a Happy Meal. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Check out the self-custody cold storage wallets, guys. Decent wallets. They sponsor the channel. The link will be down below. Not your keys, not your crypto, guys. I have one. You should have one too. Again, I'll see you guys in the next one.